Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Sault Ste. A beautiful blend of nature and city life. My family and I decided to pay our family friends a surprise visit in this city, and this is us arriving after a long 8 hours drive from Kitchener, Ontario. The most recent population estimate for Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario is 78,574. Let's take a stroll through the vibrant streets of this charming city. Sault Ste. Marie is one of the most beautiful and exciting northern cities in Canada. Northern Ontario has 9 cities, and this peaceful city is one of them. This city is the blend of historic buildings and modern shops. It is a city that truly captures the essence of small town charm with a vibrant community spirit. I am so glad to have shared this trip with my family, as nothing beats creating memories on the road together. Sault Ste. Marie is also an international port of entry to the United States. It borders Michigan and continues to be an important destination for business, trade, and travel. The scenery in this city is just stunning. The mixture of nature and urban life makes every turn interesting. And here we are, the moment we've been waiting for. We finally arrived at our friend's place. They were so surprised to see us, and seeing the faces was so pleasant after a long time. This is what surprises are all about: laughter, joy, and the warmth of friendship. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure in Sault Ste. Marie. We look forward to you enjoying more videos on our channel about the city, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more interesting videos. Until the next time, keep exploring and creating unforgettable memories. Bye-bye.